In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.2, question number 1, part 6. And the question we have, f of x equal to integral of under root x minus 1 over under root x whole square dx. So see, this is a minus b whole square. In the last question, we have used a plus b whole square, but in this, we are going to use a square minus b square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, or you can expand a square negative 2ab plus b square. Both are okay. So first of all, we are going to expand this formula, which is equal to a square, and instead of a we have under root x. So this is the first part. A square means square root under root plus b square. Instead of b we have 1 over under root x. So make the square of this. We have done this, and now negative 2ab. So negative 2, instead of a we have x, instead of b we have 1 over x, and then parenthesis close and dx. So this will cancel each other. X under root x whole square means we have x here, 1 over x negative 2. Now see, we have three terms. X, this is first term, second term and third term. So we will integrate individually all these three terms. X dx plus integral of 1 over x dx. This is constant. So I told you, if we have a constant, we have to write down before the integral sign and then dx. If you want, you can write down 1 dx, but dx is also fine. So now we have to remove this integral sign, and what is the procedure I told you? See, the power or exponent of x is 1, so we have to add one more power, which is also called increment. So our new exponent is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, so you have to write down the same thing in the denominator as well. This is the most important thing of this question. So here I will explain to you. If f(x) means function, if we have like this function, you have to integrate function, and function is given in the denominator while the derivative of the function is in the numerator, then the integration of this f(x) will be natural log of f(x), right? Whatever you have here. So here in this case we have integral of 1 over x dx. This is the function. See, this is the f(x), and the derivative of x is 1, which is in the numerator. And I told you, if the function is in the denominator and the derivative of that function is in the numerator, so the integration will be equal to natural log of function, and function is x, so natural log of x. Same thing you have to write down, natural log of x, because see, this is the function and the derivative of x is here in the numerator, minus 2 and dx, for this is the integration of dx or 1 dx plus constant of integration. Now here we will simplify it. It will be x square divided by 2 plus natural log of x minus 2x plus c, and this is the answer. So simple. First of all, we have to expand the formula. Then we have three terms. We have to integrate individually these three terms. If we have constant, we have to write down outside the integral sign. Then we have to remove the integral sign. How? By adding or by increment by 1. Whatever is the new exponent, we have to write down in the denominator as well. This is the most important thing. If we have a function in the denominator and the derivative is in the numerator, the integration of that part is equal to log of the function. And the same thing for minus x plus constant of integration. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. And thanks for watching.